This is our home for today.
Yeah, baby.
Yay. Luckily the ground is soft enough for us to stake each corner. This company called KAMUI, am I saying that right? So a company called KAMUI was kind enough to send us this self-inflating mattress, self-inflating pad. Cool thing about these pads is you could connect them side to side, or you could connect them on top of each other to get extra cushion. They are self-inflating, so before anything I want to just open them up. So by the time we're ready to sleep, I'm sure it'll be quicker than that, but we just want it to be ready before we settle inside. So all you have to do is kind of open the valve here, and then it'll just self-inflate. So we actually tested these pads when we went to Atlanta. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but we took a nap at the rest area in the back of our car, and we were using these pads. It made a huge difference. So we finally got a rooftop box, meaning we're ready for a longer distance travel. Coming soon.
Wasn't this closed?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. Do you guys see these little holes? It's all over our tent. One right there, right here, right here. Oh my gosh, there's bigger ones down here.
oh,
You always needed my help putting. I think I'm going to start the fire. I came inside because it started snowing. It's not like one of those like pretty Christmas snow. It's like those like kind of like more like shredded ice. So I just came inside. I'm too lazy to set this up right now. I'm gonna start the fire because I'm cold. 엄마가? Did you get yourself one? Oh my goodness! 또 유스르치! No! This is my life. You know, honestly, if it wasn't this cold, I wouldn't even be using this, but it's cold. Another best friend. Fire starting steak. Steak! Oh, wait, this will work. Ha! I'm just gonna light up the fire sticks, the fire starter sticks, and then it should do the trick. No. Not the cookie. You already had like 5 cookies. And for you. 다 먹었네. 비타민.
can I go in now or?
Hi, baby. You ate so much, and I know that. Wow.
I like that fan a
Oh,
lot.
this fan is pretty.
Legit.
Yeah.
Fan power.
I love it how we don't have to worry about like losing like the battery dying, and we have to recharge every time we take it around. And cool thing is you could use it for both wood stove and the kerosene heater.
Beautiful.
Just boiling some coffee or boiling some water right now. I'm gonna just make some coffee. Do you want tea or coffee?
Tea, please.
Do you have tea?
And coffee, please.
This. You want the mint one?
Sure.
And looking at our firewood, there's no way this is gonna last us all night. Our campsite does have the electricity, but we don't have extension cord that's gonna reach us to our tent, so we might have to use our power station to heat up to get our heated mat going. I'm thinking that after we eat, we're gonna have to chop more wood.
There's plenty.
Hello.
Oh boy.
I think this is comfortable temperature. Yeah. You sneak that cookie out.
No, I'm saying so it's very soon.
Meow.
You're pretty good at splitting that tree there, huh?
Yeah?
Yeah.
How's this experience?
Yeah.
몇 개 할까? 3개?
Sure.
짠. No, not you.
Very tiny.
이렇게 맛있어?
Wow.
좀?
Wow, so much nutty. Try to get the noodle.
내가 줄게.
Here.
Cheers. 아, 맛있다.
Oh. Oh my. They gave a lot of radish in this.
So Tong and I spent like maybe 30 minutes to an hour just cutting more wood. I'm hoping that that's enough. I'll show you guys how much we have in a minute. But it's actually not that bad. I mean, inside right now it's 40 something degrees. Outside I'm thinking like maybe like high 20s, low 30s. So far it's not bad. I think it's these pants. Okay. You don't want water. Yes. 몇 시야? 시계 안 차고 가니까 요새 시계 차고 다녀야겠네. Like as much as I don't want to wear a watch, 또 안 차니까 좀 차이가 난다. 맞네. Update. I don't think we're gonna have enough wood to last us all night. And like I said, we don't have full electricity. We only have the power station. So it's gonna be a cold night. Oh well.
smiling now.
It's kind of nice because, like, it sounds like it's raining, and the fire crackling, and we have a little bit of music going on, so it's definitely relaxing. 괜찮아. I believe in the
Big one?
yeah.
This will do well.
Yeah, I'm saving that one.
Yo. Discount.
A lot of mayo, babe.
I got you. Not as hot as the takoyaki
Japan
from
one?
Japan. That was so hot. I was like, should I spit it out? It might be disrespectful to do.
Cheers. 너무 맛있다 이거. Look at the inside. This is dry, very dry. But it's so windy that like now the heat's even like going up. We're just getting really cold air. Yeah, so we kind of have to keep this door open to get some heat. Night night. I'm thinking this should be enough till sunrise. Hopefully a little more than enough. See it? This right here. I just put a really big, again like a really thick one inside. And I'm sure this is gonna last us a while. I think I'll make myself a little more coffee. Looks good. Look at all this snow. Ooh. Maui. Wow. We're just waiting for, oh, there's Ame right there. Waiting for a little bit of sun. So hopefully these will all melt. 야 근데 이런 건 되게 이쁘다. Look at all this. Like even right here. This is the front of our tent. Thankfully, because it snows so much, it covered like all the wind coming in. Worked as a windshield actually. I can confidently say this may be the last snow camping of
Look at my nose.
the season. I am sick of this guy. Every 2 seconds I'm cold, my hands are cold. I'm like, me too, but we gotta get home. Oh, I'm done. But oh man, our tent is like it was very icy. We couldn't like get some of the icicles off. It was just like stuck on the tent, and I didn't want to just pull it off and rip the tent, you know, because we have to use it next week. So we just kind of rolled it up. But hopefully in a few days we're gonna able to take it out and just thaw it out and clean it a little bit. Hopefully this is the last snow camping, or at least with the wood stove this year, because it's just so much maintenance and it's a lot of work. But
My nose gonna hurt for weeks.
see, I had to hear that for like the past 2 hours. So we're gonna grab some breakfast and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.